It's my first time with gel polish, and I did this ombre in two different shades of nude. Want to know how I achieved this? Let's go. So this is how my client's nail is. I already filed it, but I didn't film my filing process. I didn't film how it was before filing, so I already filed it. Then now I'm going in with the buffer because I need to do nail prep before I can apply my gel polish. Right now I'm just buffing it out. I'm just buffing it out to be smooth. Not like smooth, but to be, just buffing out all the fingers that I have already filed. Just buffing them out. After that, I checked out my nails. I brought out my nails. I just checked them out to check the sizes of them. Then there are still some cuticle that I need to clear, which I am already doing at this time. I'm just clearing out the cuticle area so the work will come out neat as possible. Those are the tutorials I used to watch. After that, then I file some more before applying my glue on the nails, on the artificial nails, before putting it on the extra nails. I'm filing it so that it would have a grip. That is why I'm filing it, so that there will be a grip on the glue, so it will not come off easily. And the first time I filed, the reason why I filed was to remove the oil on the natural nails, to remove the excess oil on the natural nails. That's why I filed at first before buffing. Then I filed again before putting in the glue on my artificial nails. So this is the same process I repeat for all 10 fingers. I repeat the same process for all 10 fingers to prep them so that the nails would last longer and will not just pull off, because if it is on a smooth surface, it's going to be easy for it to just pull off like that. And I'm taking my time on it to make sure it gets dry before I remove my hand on each and every one of the finger. Then after that, I use my cutter to cut to the desired length of my client. This is the length that she wants. She wants the short, let's say like medium. Oh no, this is short. So she wants the short, something not too long. So after cutting, I'll file it before applying my gel polish on it. Of course, I'm filing it to remove the smoothness of it, because if I just apply the gel polish on a smooth nail extension, it's just going to, you can just raise or clear off very quickly than it having a grip. So this is the same process I repeat for all. This is how the nail is after that. Then now I'm applying my paint on the nails. I'm applying the first layer of the nude. I'm applying it on it. But also for the cuticle area, I'm putting Vaseline. I'm supposed to use cuticle oil, but I don't have that now, so I'm just putting Vaseline on the cuticle area and the down part of the finger. So if there is a spill, it will be easy to remove. Unlike if there is nothing there, it will not be as easy to remove as if there is a Vaseline as a base. So right now I'm applying my gel polish. Then this is the second layer that I already applied it on it. I didn't video that part before going into the top one. But after I applied the second layer, I used the foam to ombre it out so that it can blend into each other. Then we went into the dryer before I apply my top coat on it, because I cannot just apply my top coat on it like that so that it will not melt. I will need the base coat to dry first before applying my top coat. So now after this top coat, I put it into the dryer for 60 seconds and voila, this is the result. This is the result I got on my first gel polish and acrylic, of course. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about it? Tell me what you think about this, my first attempt at gel polish. This is it. Of course, I like it. I know it's not perfect, but I decided to do our nails as well, just as bonus. But it's just plain color, it's just plain nude that I used on our nails. See you guys in my next video. Bye.